Welcome to Hummingbird Fiber Arts. I'm Birdie. My oldest has a blouse that she absolutely adores. But as I explained in my full bust adjustment video, it was not designed with her measurements in mind. So the underbust seam tends to creep up to an unflattering position. In this pattern hack video, I will show you how I converted a basic raglan t-shirt pattern into a V-neck tiered dress. I chose this pattern because it was free and it came in her size. After trying on a mock-up and finding it too large, I had her try on my hedgehog shirt that I had made in a previous video, and she was much happier with the slimmer fit. So we used that as the basis for this pattern. I do hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Trace the pattern. Mark the depth of the V-neck. Measure both the neck and shoulder seam allowances to find where those seams will meet. Draw a line from the shoulder mark to the new neckline. Measure from the neckline to where you want your first tier to sit. Draw a line from your mark to the side seam. Lay out your pattern pieces to estimate your needed length. Cutting the fabric here makes the next step easier. Refold the selvages to the center. Place the front pattern piece on the fold and cut out. And again with the back. Place the sleeve piece away from the fold and then cut it out. Pin all 4 shoulder seams, leaving 1 inch open on a back shoulder seam. Sew the shoulder seams using a narrow short zigzag. Finish seams and press. With right sides together, fold the sleeves in half, matching the shoulder seams at the underarms, and pin. Sew underarms with a narrow, short zigzag. Measure the bottom edge of the top, here 45 inches. Cut strips of fabric to the desired width, here 7 inches. The first tier is 1.5 times the bottom edge. The second tier is twice, and the third tier is 2.5 times the bottom edge measurement. Baste one edge of your fabric strips for gathering. Use a longer, narrow zigzag. Divide the bottom edge of the top and all of your tiers into 8 equal sections. I started at the bottom, gathered that to fit the second tier, then the second tier to fit the first, and the first to fit the bottom edge of the top. Sew the tiers using a narrow, short zigzag. Cut the elastic to under bust measurement and divide into 8 equal sections. Pin the elastic to the bottom edge of the top, matching marks. Use a long, wide zigzag to attach the elastic. Stretch the elastic gently as you sew. Match the pattern pieces at the shoulder seam lines and measure the neck edge. Attach fold-over elastic with a narrow, short zigzag. Press and enjoy.